Let's continue on with maintenance of our Simplicity here. See, I have just under 66 hours on this Simplicity Regent. At about 15 hours I did a full service on this, oil change, air filter, and I switched to the AMSOIL small engine oil. And you can see here that's still very clean. So I've decided I'm going to leave that for a bit. They say that's good for, I think, over 100 hours of use. So I want to get my money out of that. And it still looks very clean, so I'm not going to change the oil. So my plan for this, before I put it away for winter, is to clean this all up. You can see it got kind of dirty here. And check the air filter and just kind of clean things up in general. Let's take a look at the air filter here. So all you got to do is turn off these thumb screws, and it's under this cover right here. So we'll take a look at what that's like. Then all you got to do is kind of lift it up out of place there. It just pops in there. And you can see there is some debris on there. So good thing I'm checking this, and relatively quite a bit of dust on it. The other thing, the housing there's some dust in there. So I'm gonna blow that out of there, blow this off, and go from there.